All right, cool. What's up, y'all? So, real quick, before I enter this trade, I just wanted to show y'all what like a good entry would look like, and what like a good setup on your charts is gonna look like. And this is just for my folks who are already a little bit advanced. Like they already know what's going on. They just wanted to see the trend line strategy. This is for you. All right. So what we're looking at here, I'm on the 30-minute time frame right now. I'm gonna explain everything very quickly. What you're looking at. All right, so if you come down right here, here is where the market currently is. All right, this candle wick right here is moving. All right. For anyone that is confused, now check this out. Right now, we're looking at my trend line. This red line right here, this is a downward trend line. The market is in a downtrend. And that is the reason why I drew this resistance right here. And what that means is the market is hitting this trend line a number of times, and it bounces back down every time it's done it so far. All right. In order to draw a trend line, the market cannot fully cross through it. All right. The market has to be, like, if you take a look at the green, the market has to be under it or above it, or in between like this, which is a really good entry. And I'm gonna explain to you guys why I would be going for possibly a buy right here. All right. So on this 30-minute time frame, we're looking at my trend lines, which I've marked up because I've spotted multiple interesting points as to when the market has hit my trend line and bounced back down. All right. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to be going over that a bunch of times to make sure you guys are really understanding it. So don't even trip. I'm going to get into levels with you guys later. And that's what this yellow box is. It's pretty much just my another support and resistance to kind of keep me level as to where the market is and what it has going on, like where it's bouncing off of. If you could just kind of like see how I'm using it, how it's kind of like giving me a playing field as to what the market might do and where it might linger around. Let me see. Okay, so I'm on a 30-minute time frame, right? I'm gonna move down to the 5-minute because that's what I trade on. Okay, so if we take a look right here, we can see how the market has had a breakout on our trend line. All right. And with the trend line strategy, this is where you are going to make your entries. This is where you're going to start, to either go for a sell or to go for a buy. Once you see the market commit these breakthroughs in the trend line, like as you can see right here, it comes over through here. And it has a full breakthrough, and it starts like the candle starts closing above the trend line. All right, that is an indicator. It's kind of a strong indicator that this is going to be a buy and that it's going to continue to rock it up. All right. Let's see. So, let's see. We've already kind of missed the spike. It's already came down. It's back tested. So, yeah, this would be like the perfect time to go for an entry, to be honest. So, and this is my paper trading account. This is the account that I practice on before I make legit trades. If I don't see anything in the actual market, I'll come over here in my paper trading account just to kind of get some practice in. Let's just go for it right here. All right. So then after I get in my entry, let's see. I'll go ahead and set my stop loss. Let's set the stop loss here. And let's put our take profit. The thing might shoot up to about here maybe. And I'm just Let me see. I have to check and see what my levels are. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a pretty decent spot. I mean, if I take it up for a couple dollars more, maybe. And that's just if I really wanted to ride that wave. But yeah. So, like I said, right here we can see how the market has a breakthrough. It actually had a breakthrough and we had a retest, meaning it came back, it hit this line instead of going back through and faking us out and coming back down. It actually just hit it and it's continuing to going back up. So now it might be turning this downtrend into a support, meaning anytime the market hits a support, it's going to turn back the other way and go back up. Anytime the market hits a resistance, it's going to hit that resistance trend line or level and turn back down. All right? So we're going to be going over this a lot, my G. So I hope this helps. And let me know if you have any questions for sure.